This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching DMSS and signing into your account. Once logged in, go straight to the device menu. Tap the plus or add device icon to begin pairing. Make sure your phone has camera permission. Without it, you cannot scan. If the app asks for storage or network access, allow it so temporary images and device info can load. You're not just tapping, you're preparing DMSS to use the phone camera as the scanner, so keep the device and camera steady. Once in Add Device, select Scan QR and position the camera toward the sticker or screen displaying the code. You should see a frame targeting box. Hold steady and let DMSS auto-detect the pattern. If it fails, switch to Manual Add and type the device SN or UID instead. Make sure ambient light is adequate. Turn on flashlight if needed. If the app still won't read the code, try cleaning the lens or display the QR on another screen for a clearer contrast. After a successful scan, verify the device information DMSS shows and finish setup by naming the camera and assigning a password. Once done, open Live View to confirm the feed connects. If the camera doesn't appear, reboot the camera, the router, and the phone, then try again. Make sure the device firmware and app are updated. If QR scan keeps failing, switch to Manual Add using the SN/UID or contact your vendor. That one fallback usually resolves stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.